Hey guys! So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look that I'm wearing here. It is my go-to fall look. It kind of started with a transition into fall and now it's become this because we are full on into fall. No more summer colors here. This video is also a collaboration video with Vega M. Francine. She is someone I've been following on Instagram for quite a while. She also has a YouTube channel. Everything she posts is so adorable and beautiful. She has fashion videos, beauty videos, travel vlogs. Please go follow her. She's also doing a video that we're pairing together. She's doing her own fall go-to look. So please go check it out. I will link it above me and also down below. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna start with the blush. I recently I was watching another YouTuber's video about the Glossier cloud paints. So I just mix a bunch of Dusk and a tiny little bit of Dawn. I don't know if you can see this. And it makes this really, really pretty orangey terracotta color. It's so pretty. Go. When I'm trying to do a semi-natural look with my color, this is not me inventing this or anything, but I always try to creep it up the nose, put it a little bit on my chin and forehead. If you're naturally flushed, you're gonna have color all over the place, not just on the apples of your cheeks. So I like to get it all over. Alright, and next I'm going to use this eyeshadow I got a couple weeks ago. I haven't had it for very long. It's the Missha Eye Painting Shadow here. It's just this beautiful shimmery brown color. It's like if you really liked the Glossier lid stars, but you want something a little bit more buildable, because theirs are very, very sheer. But, I mean, that's what they sold them as, so that's okay. Alright, so here's this for you. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I built it up a little bit more than I usually do, but I kind of wanted this to be a little more letting go of the really light summer look, so I'm happy with it. However, this is super glittery and messy, and so I am going to go ahead and wash my hands real quick. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows, because I didn't do those off camera for some reason today. So I'm just going to use my trusty duo Innisfree eyebrow stuff. I'm addicted to it. I really haven't tried much else since I've been in Korea because I loved this immediately. So I have the Innisfree Skinny Brow Pencil, and then I'm going to go in with the Skinny Fixercara, like Fixercara, I don't know. It's a dumb name, but it's just a clear brow gel. It just has a really, really tiny wand that I love. I actually did a review on their tinted version of this, so I'll link that above me. So I haven't been doing my eyebrows that differently now that it's turning into fall, because I feel like I have a brow routine down that I really like. But I have noticed, not really on purpose, that I've been doing them a little bit darker. I just love this gel so much. I fell in love initially with the tinted one, and now I've discovered their clear one. Lastly, I'm gonna go in with some lip color. My lips, I'm sure, have been really shiny this whole video because I've had an intense amount of lip balm on. My lips have been crazy dry. Like they're even getting a little cracked in the corners. It's annoying. So if anyone has any nice home remedies for me, or even just something inexpensive that I can find, preferably not online, but like in stores, for cracked lip corners, that would be great. Thank you in advance. Yesterday, I went shopping and I picked up this tinted lip balm, and it's super pretty and like a tinted dark red, brick red. So anyway, I'm gonna use this for today because I'm so excited, and I think it's gonna look really nice with the sparkly eyes. I have not tried this yet. I swatched it on my hand, and that's about it. So I'm gonna try to use the little mirror. I was gonna try to hold this and then hold my mirror up, but it's just such a cute little mirror. So let's try this out. First time. Oh wow, that is pigmented. I love it though. I'm not gonna put it on my cheeks, but I could see this looking really nice on my cheeks. I already have like 2 colors on, so I'm not gonna put on more. Alright, so this is the finished look. I'm really happy with it. Like I said, I planned most of it out. Most of this is what I have been wearing a lot lately. But I added a little extra eye pigment, and this is my first time using this, and I absolutely love it. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you have any questions about any of the products I use, please let me know down below. You can also follow me on Instagram. Alright guys, so that's it for my video. Please remember to like and subscribe if you like videos just like this, and I will see you guys next time.